Why do some people appear naturally confident, while others constantly doubt themselves? Why can one small success make you feel unstoppable, while one failure can make you question everything? Confidence might seem like a personality trait, but in reality, confidence is something your brain builds over time. It is shaped by experiences, learning, and the way your brain interprets success and failure. In this video, we will explore how your brain builds confidence, the neuroscience behind self-belief, and how understanding this process can help you develop stronger confidence in your own life. Confidence starts with the brain's prediction system. Your brain is constantly making predictions about what you are capable of doing. Before you attempt a task, your brain quickly asks an important question: can I succeed at this? To answer that question, the brain searches through past experiences. If your past experiences include success, improvement, or progress, your brain predicts a higher chance of success. That prediction feels like a feeling we recognize as confidence. But if the brain remembers repeated failures or negative feedback, it may predict a low chance of success. That prediction feels like self-doubt. In other words, confidence is partly your brain's way of estimating your future success based on past evidence. The role of the prefrontal cortex. A key brain region involved in confidence is the prefrontal cortex. This area is responsible for planning, decision-making, and evaluating outcomes. When you successfully complete a task, the prefrontal cortex helps analyze the result. Your brain records the experience as proof that you are capable. Over time, repeated successful experiences strengthen neural pathways associated with competence and control. These strengthened pathways make the brain more likely to predict success in the future. This is how confidence slowly grows. Dopamine and the reward system. Confidence is also connected to the brain's reward system. When you achieve something meaningful, your brain releases dopamine. Dopamine reinforces the behavior that led to the success. It tells your brain, "This action worked. Do it again." Each time you experience progress, improvement, or accomplishment, the reward system strengthens motivation and belief in your ability to handle challenges. This creates a positive feedback loop. Success increases dopamine, dopamine increases motivation, motivation increases effort, and effort increases the chances of future success. Why small wins matter. Many people believe confidence comes from big achievements, but neuroscience shows that small wins are extremely powerful. Each small success provides evidence to the brain that progress is possible. When these experiences accumulate, the brain updates its predictions. Instead of expecting failure, it begins expecting improvement. This is why breaking large goals into smaller steps can dramatically increase confidence. Every completed step strengthens the brain's belief in its ability to handle challenges. The impact of negative experiences. Just as success strengthens confidence, repeated negative experiences can weaken it. Criticism, failure, and embarrassment activate emotional centers like the amygdala. These experiences can create strong emotional memories that influence future predictions. If the brain repeatedly associates certain situations with failure or embarrassment, it may begin predicting negative outcomes automatically. This prediction triggers anxiety and hesitation. However, these patterns are not permanent. Because of neuroplasticity, the brain can update its beliefs when new experiences contradict old expectations. Training your brain to build confidence. Confidence is not something you either have or don't have. It is something your brain gradually learns. You can strengthen confidence by giving your brain consistent evidence of progress. Practicing skills regularly helps build familiarity and competence. Setting realistic goals creates achievable successes. Reflecting on improvements reminds the brain of its capabilities. Over time, these experiences reshape the brain's predictions about what you can achieve. To summarize, Confidence is not just a feeling. It is the result of learning processes happening inside your brain. Your prediction systems, reward circuits, and memory networks all work together to shape your belief in yourself. Each experience of effort, learning, and progress teaches the brain something new about your abilities. And as those experiences accumulate, confidence begins to grow naturally. Because the most powerful way to build confidence is not waiting to feel confident first. The real secret is taking action and letting your brain learn that you are capable. Subscribe for more videos about psychology, neuroscience, and the hidden science of the human mind.